What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust auto subs in Madden NFL 26. If you wanna set up auto subs, you can do it right through the settings menu. Just open settings, scroll across the tabs by pressing R1 or RB and you'll eventually see the auto sub section. Once you are in there, you'll notice a full list of positions: quarterbacks, running backs, wide receivers, tight ends, the offensive line, linebackers, defensive tackles, defensive ends, cornerbacks and safety. Everything is separated for offense and defense, so you can fine tune each group the way you want. Each position has its own sub in and sub out sliders, and these control how often players rotate during a game. If you are ever unsure what a specific slider does, there is a short description on the right side of the screen that explains it. All you really need to do is adjust the sliders until the rotation feels right for you, and once that's set, you are ready to go. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.